How to turn off page you manage likes notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page you manage likes notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and you just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down, click settings here, and then notifications, and now click this one, pages you manage, and then select your page and go down, and you will find here this one, page interactions. Click on it and you will find new likes. Just turn it off by one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.